All right, so we went to Home Depot, we picked up this product, Home Decorators. We're using it as a tool now for hammering things, but the lip of these locks, the way that it locks in, it was really difficult to do. And it kept popping out as I was working, and it drove us crazy. So then we went down, after watching some videos, this Lifeproof product, the locking system, I used it on a different floor, and it works very well. So we read the instructions on how to use this product, and the point of this video is to show you with this product, the Lifeproof, the locking is the lock system, the, what's it called, Julie? Click, the tongue and groove type of thing, but it's a lock. But anyway, so thanks for helping me out, Julie. But
Didn't know what you were talking about.
so we're gonna flip this around this way. And what they say in the instructions is to go this way first and then tap this way. I find it easier to reverse that. So I line this up all the way down, and then once I have it in there, I bring it down to that corner, this end, and then inevitably, this is gonna overhang, and you don't wanna bang that in because it'll peel that back and break it, right? So what I do is I place my fingers underneath here, and then I push my thumb down here, and then I just get it into that spot. And it's protruding a little bit beyond that, but that's okay. And I'm gonna tap that, get it started, work my way back. You can see and feel, make sure it's flush. And then, I'm not gonna worry about that part yet being out just a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do, what they also say is to not do the angle. I like doing the angle. This little hairline crack that you see, if you tilt it up just enough, and it closes that up, and then you'll be able to bang that in all the way down the line. Now, there's still a little bit of a hairline crack. It's not going to take as much force and effort of banging this in. So I'm gonna get this lip on top of this, because you don't want to break that groove. And then you get it just above it. And then when you bang it here, you can see that hairline crack. And I've got my body weight on it on this side, and I pull it in this way when you're a one-man band. And then you just work your way down, and you're watching it close up. And it's not a lot of effort to bang it with this tool if you bang it first down, and it's minimal effort, a little bit of force. And then if you come back over here, I can still feel that it's raised a little bit. Make sure it's nice, and then this is pulled in. And that's it.